welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as Littlefitdevil, and today I have a pretty cool try on haul for you all. I am going to show you Temu, what I got versus what I ordered. So you're going to see photos of the listing on the website and then what I ordered and then how it looks when I put it together. Because I feel like there's always, you know, when you do online shopping, there's always that belief of like, is this gonna be as high quality? Is this gonna look actually nice? Does it look like the picture? Am I going to be able to pull it off like the model? Well, today I'm going to show you whether we can't or we cannot. You're gonna tell me what you think in the comments. So why don't we go ahead and get this party started? Okay, look number one. You guys, I have had these shorts for quite some time, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to find them. If I do, I will put the photo right here. But I did get this beautiful shirt, and it's just a normal shirt, right? But again, when we do online shopping, we're like, how the heck is this gonna fit? Well, we're talking about like a retro, you know, vibe with the blue and the stripes. I think everything that's retro Y2K is coming back. I love this. It's a true crop top. It doesn't, you know, hit you so hard that then, you know, like it's not gonna look as great. I think it looks beautiful. Honestly, it's not too tight on the arms. It's a size small for me, and I think it works really well, especially with this shorts that I also got on Temu. So I don't know, I think it's a real successful shirt. Also super inexpensive when you buy things from Temu. Honestly, you're gonna save you're going to save a lot of money. Use my code, I'll put it right here. If you want to save even more, especially if you're a new user of the app, if you have to make gifts, if you're gonna buy things for yourself, this is a good place to do it. Okay, we're gonna spice things up. I'm gonna go for some dresses. Honestly, I have a little bit of everything. I even have shoes, you guys. So let's go ahead and try on some more things. Okay, this is adorable. I love it. I have to tell you, this is a sweater dress. It looks like a cardigan, right? But look at the movement. So it hits you like perfectly on the waist, right? And then it gives you the A-line, which makes it like really playful and really cute. It's not like ultra sexy, but it gives you a leg moment. And hold on, I'm gonna take these off because I have to show you a close-up. These shoes are from Temu too. And look how cool they look with like, just with a black dress, you give it a shoe like this and now you elevate it. Then you can pair it with a red purse, a mustard purse, a tan purse, and honestly, you have like a crazy awesome look going for you. Not to mention, it gives you some height. Hold on, I don't want to break anything. Look at the legs this look gives you. It's a mini skirt with amazing heels. It's a vibe, everybody. I mean, I don't know what else to say. I think this one definitely hits it out of the park. I will put the photos, the links in the description of this video, but you also want to see what I ordered versus what I got. I think this is a win. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I have more to show you because of course I went to town on Temu and I ordered a bunch of things. So this one is a keeper for sure. Let's go to the next one. Hold on, I think I made it better. I love the cleavage a little more when the first button is open. I mean, you tell me what you think. I think it was a little constricted before. Now I think we have a look. Next look. You guys, first of all, let me tell you, I tried these things on for the first time when I'm reviewing them for you, for the most part, with very few exceptions. So I get the excitement and the surprise as I am seeing these things. I cannot believe the quality of this dress, you guys. This is a true fall winter dress. See, it is like a wool, okay? Like a thin wool, but a wool for sure. So in the summer, you will be sweating with this dress. So this is more like a fall kind of dress. You would want to wear it with like a little denim jacket or something to, you know, maybe soften it up. Or if you want to dress it up, you can, you know, go for like a cardigan or something. I think it is incredible. I mean, besides the fact that it fits like a glove, you know, it does great things for the body right here. Look at the design here with the flower. It's like as if your little skin is like the center of the flower. Loving it. Oh my God. I swear this little rug that I have is going to like knock me out one of these days. Maybe I should have left the shoe off so I can show you. Okay, look at this beauty. I mean, it works so well with this dress. You can go for blue. That's the thing, when you have like a neutral dress, you can really do so many things. You can go black, you can go like more of a nude color, but if you come up with like a denim, now you're like, whoa. You can even wear like a denim jacket, that's what I was saying. It would look incredible, and these are adorable. I always like a squared heel because they're super comfortable. So I'm gonna show you the whole look put together if I don't fall on my butt. I don't know why I insist on walking backwards either. Okay, see the look? It's very spring, very like casual, cutesy. Loving it, loving it. And you know, a little bit of height always makes you feel a little bit more elongated. So what I got versus what I ordered, I think I did a good job both on the shoes and the dress. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. We're gonna switch things up a little. Let's go. Okay, everybody. Yes, I threw up checkers all over you. So I'm going to put what I ordered versus what I got so that you can see it. Okay, I think the plan here was not to wear all my checkerboard stuff all together, but more so just showing you everything in one kind of moment. Funny enough, it all works. The pants kind of have the same fabric as the shirt. It is like elasticy, but like soft fabric. It really feels and looks incredible. And I'm telling you, again, I don't think I would wear all of this together, but it works if you do want to go full on checkerboard, okay? To the point that I even got this incredible bag. It's full. I'm already using it. I wear it to the gym. I have, you know, all my everyday stuff in here. It is great because you can reach, you know, there's like a little pocket here. And the cool part about it is you can access here, but you can also have a zipper here, which you can carry your bigger stuff. Absolutely incredible. Now that I showed you this, I'm gonna take it off and we're gonna talk about the pants. So I'm gonna do this so you guys can see the whole thing happening. Joggers, incredibly comfortable, everybody. They scrunch here at the bottom a little bit. They are high-waisted if you want, but you can also do the whole Y2K situation where you lower them like that. Checkerboard pants, you can honestly wear a white top, white shirt. You have a moment. I have to be honest, I think this actually is better in the shirt. Same thing. It's kind of like longer, you know? But again, you can tie it if that's what you prefer. I used to wear things a lot like this. You can just tuck it in a little bit and do that. Again, imagine now the opposite, you know, like shirt with black or white pants. What do you think? Please let me know in the comments. Let's finish up this try on with a dress. Let's go. Okay, everybody, look at the movement on this dress. Woo! I mean, this is perfect for like a windy day, you know, and have like a Marilyn Monroe moment. What a simplistic dress, but how cute, right? You have a long sleeve, sort of like stretchy dress. This gives me like gym fabric kind of look, you know? The pleats on the skirt are real interesting and they work well, because you, again, get the movement, but you also get kind of like an A-line with some movement, which makes the body look incredible. A great look. I pair them with also Temu shoes. I will take one off here in a second so that guys can see it, but again, kind of like a more modest heel, more like a casual kind of heel. They are really comfortable. Lower heels are great for more like casual dresses like this one. But again, you can elevate the vibe, right? You can really do a lot of things. You can wear a leather jacket over this. You can belt it if that's what you prefer. You can wear accessories that would make, you know, the gray stand out. So again, gray is such a great neutral because you can do so many things and make this so fun. What do you think? I think it's pretty awesome. What I ordered versus what I got, I think they were all pretty successful. You can tell me. So if you guys want to shop with my friends at Temu, make sure you check out the link in the description. I will put all these items, but also use my code to save some money and help a girl out. Almost forgot to show you the shoes. These are two-toned, brown with black. So again, wear them pretty much daily. This would be like your go-to comfy shoe that will make your legs look incredible, but also they're comfortable. If you like what I do, consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video. Please turn on post notifications. You can follow me on social media. You can support me right here on Patreon, where I provide early access to most of my YouTube videos, including exclusive photo shoots with a lot of the items that you see me trying on here, as well as amazing perks. Also, check out my other two channels, Carla Raids and Carla's Life channel. I will be adding content there very soon. So if you want to see behind the scenes, head on over there. And that does it. I really hope you're having an amazing day. I will see you guys soon in another one.